Hello, I'm Bill Lynch, Chief Customer Experience Officer at Delta Airlines. I'm here to share some important steps we are taking to ensure your safety and to prevent the spread of COVID-19, which you probably know as the coronavirus. We know that when you choose to travel with us, you are putting your trust in our hands, and that's a responsibility we take very seriously. From the moment your travel starts with Delta at the airport, we are committed to providing you with a safe and healthy travel experience. Cleanliness is always important, but now it matters more than ever in our airports and on our aircraft. In early February, we introduced an electrostatic fogging procedure. Using fogging machines, our team sanitized the aircraft cabin with a high-grade, EPA-registered disinfectant that sticks to cabin surfaces. This disinfectant is highly effective against many communicable diseases, including coronaviruses, and is safe for customers and crew immediately after it is applied. After our overnight aircraft are fogged, cleaning crews perform thorough cleaning procedures, including wiping down cabin surfaces, tray tables, seatback screens, consoles, and common areas like lavatories and galleys, using the same high-grade disinfectant used to fog the aircraft. We are committed to providing a safe, clean, and comfortable environment for you every time you fly. Before the boarding process begins, a Delta customer service agent and a Delta flight attendant will personally inspect the aircraft to make sure it's clean. If it doesn't meet our standards, our employees have the authority to hold the flight for additional cleaning. And we'll make this cleanliness commitment to you each and every time you fly with Delta. I want to assure you that we have the best professionals in the industry working nonstop for you. Nothing is more important to us than your health and your safety, and you can be sure of that every time you fly with Delta.